Thinking about downloading TikTok videos with a watermark? You might want to watch this one. Stay tuned. The home screen of the application, and how this pretty much works. All you have to do is copy the TikTok video link and paste it here. Once you've pasted it here, pretty much tap on download and it will pretty much download the video for you without watermark. So also have an option which you can download without leaving TikTok, which pretty much loads up all the video on the page that you have downloaded that one single video from. It can download all the video that's on the same page for you instantly. Also, you have the auto download option, which I think you should enable, but that does come with the premium subscription. So it's a very simple app to use, nothing hard. You also have the history section of all the videos and images or music you have downloaded via TikTok, and it pretty much shows you how to get the link for the TikTok videos. So very simple applications to use. So at the top here, you can go here to pretty much get the premium subscriptions. You can see the prices and everything. They don't offer free subscription, or should I say free trial, however, but for this one here, you get a discount on a yearly subscription. So that's really pretty much it for this app, and if I missed anything at all, please comment below and let me know what you think about it. Stay tuned.